NBC29 forecast.
Well, it's certainly been a wet Wednesday. There is the view currently here outside our studios in Charlottesville. We're in a little lull or a little break in the action, but we've got more rain ahead here tonight. Let's go to the radar and show you some of the action. You can see it's quiet now. We've had some bands of rain throughout the course of the day this afternoon, really working from south to north. Now our attention turns out to the west, and we currently do have now a flash flood warning for southwestern Augusta County. So Buffalo Gap, Craigsville, those areas such as Swope and Middlebrook, you're under a flash flood warning till 9:15. Some of the rainfall rates here are easily greater than 1.25 inches per hour, and you can see some of the recent lightning strikes as well. Here we are along Route 42, and this line that's queuing up actually extends all the way down into North Carolina, and there's flash flood warnings basically along that entire line of showers and thunderstorms. And you can see again some of the heavier rain over Rockbridge County lifting up into Augusta County, and that'll continue to lift off to the northeast. So this whole band with time will be coming through here tonight. So don't let your guard down, because we've got more rain. As mentioned, this line extends all the way down into North Carolina. So some showers and thunderstorms. This is actually a little squall line ahead of the actual front, which is still to our west. So we're still going to deal with the rain tonight. We can't rule out isolated severe weather. The main threat would be a damaging wind gust. Not completely can't rule out an isolated tornado, although that threat is much greater off to our north and west. The flash flood watch will remain posted until early tomorrow morning. In addition to the rain we've already received, we could see another maybe 1 to 3 inches with some locally higher amounts where either thunderstorms repeat over the same areas or certainly the eastern facing slopes of the Blue Ridge. Temperatures right now, we're 74 in Charlottesville. The airport made it up to 77 today, over 0.8 inches of rain so far today. 72 in Madison, 72 there in Palmyra, 70 in Waynesboro, around 1.25 inches of rainfall since last night. Temperatures by morning will range from the mid to upper 50s west of the Blue Ridge, low 60s here across central Virginia, but most of the rain will be during the pre-dawn hours, and we'll see clearing skies here for tomorrow. So Thursday will shape up nicely with temperatures in the low 70s, and as mentioned, noticeably less humid. That sets us up for a very nice stretch of weather that'll take us into Thursday, Friday, and the first weekend of fall. Morning lows in the chilly 40s and daytime highs in the pleasant low and mid 70s. You can see this broad counterclockwise spin out across the Ohio Valley. That's the area of low pressure, the attending front ahead of it. There's been plenty of moisture feeding in advance of this front, a strong autumn cold front. It'll continue to lift off to the north and east. Again, there is a tornado watch up across western Pennsylvania, eastern Ohio, and portions of northern West Virginia. So this is a system that has to kick through here tonight. Again, we've got the tropics, tropical depression, Peter and Rose. We don't have to worry about those, but this is a newly formed tropical depression. This will become Sam. Sam will become a major hurricane into next week. That's something that we'll continue to monitor. In the short term, here dealing with this line is showers and thunderstorms tonight. Some of that could be very heavy rain that could prompt some more flash flood warnings, and can't rule out some isolated severe weather. Most of the rain will kind of taper off during the pre-dawn hours. We'll see clearing skies, noticeable drop in the humidity tomorrow, lower 70s, and then look at this, early Friday morning we're in the chilly 40s, afternoon highs on Friday in the low 70s. More showers and thunderstorms tonight, some heavy downpours, mid to upper 50s west of the Blue Ridge, low 60s across central Virginia. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast with a beautiful stretch of fall days ahead.